Mommy's tea. Your water's over here. We've had an eventful morning, to say the least. Bob's phone stopped working last night for some reason. It got really hot and shut itself off, and then when you turn it on, it started just looping the screen that displays when you first turn it on. So we had to go get him a new phone this morning. You be careful on that. That's not how it works. Can you pick it up, please, and sit on it right? There you go. So he got the new Galaxy S8 or something like that. I don't know exactly. And Mia keeps trying to drink my tea. So that's what we were doing this morning. I'm sure Bob will have a lot to say about his new phone whenever he gets off of work. He gets off at 5. And I know he just wants to come home and play with it, but he's got to work. So now we're going to fold this laundry, and Mia's going to help me. Are you going to help me?
Help me.
You going to help me fold laundry? Say yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Good girl. Okay, let's do this. So I was putting Mia's laundry away, and she decided she was gonna break my glasses. These are brand new. I think I bought them last week.
Me.
They're the first pair of glasses that I actually loved, and you just broke them.
Look at them.
Can you say sorry?
Try.
Can you say I won't do it again?
Do again.
Say I won't
What?
do it again.
Do again.
Mommy's bummed out now. So yeah, that happened. Let's see if I can wear them with just one. What do you think, guys? Can you tell? Let me know. I'm so bummed. I loved them so much. Mommy's sad.
Mommy. Ah.
He's eating animal crackers. And I'm gonna edit my video. Finish editing it. And get it posted.
I'm not done.
This girl's gonna take a nap soon too. Just thought I would tell you guys what happened. So Mia just woke up from her nap. I'm making her some lunch right now. I'm heating up some corn dogs because she really loves those. And then I'm gonna cut her up some cherries. Get all these pits out. Do you guys ever listen to the songs on YouTube for your kids and then get them stuck in your head? Because I do that all the time. I'm making you some lunch. Are you hungry? Baby shark, baby shark. I've been trying to think of different kinds of videos to film because I don't want this channel to just be vlogs. Vlogs are fun and I enjoy watching vlogs, but for me, I want to post more than that. I don't know. I just don't feel like it portrays who I am as much as I wanted to. So I'm looking for different video ideas. And if you guys have any suggestions, please let me know because obviously I want to put out content that people want to watch, so let me know. I just filmed a what's in my diaper bag video, so keep an eye out for that if you're interested in seeing what I put in there. Mia loves these mini corn dogs. They're probably not the best thing for her, but she's been getting really picky lately, so if I can get her to eat anything, it's a miracle. I give her some of these. The rosemary and olive oil are delicious. My Memo had these, and ever since then I've been buying them because I can't keep them in the house because I eat them. Is it yummy?
It's warm.
Is it warm? So I'm gonna let Mia eat her lunch and I'm gonna find myself something, and I'll catch up with you guys later. Oh my goodness. Hold on tight. You're choking me. I'm gonna get you. Okay, put your arms up. Put your arms up. Arms up. Okay, he's right here.
Go.
We're about to start dinner now. We're gonna have spicy New Orleans shrimp. It's probably not gonna taste as good as New Orleans. Bob sent it to me on Pinterest, so we're trying it out, see if we like it or not. I don't know if you can tell or not, but I get all of my recipes off Pinterest, unless I get them from my granny. This is what we're having for dinner tonight. This is spicy New Orleans shrimp with peas and white rice. And Mia's having just about the same thing, except she's having popcorn shrimp instead because she doesn't like it to be spicy. Give it a bite. Yummy? Dip in it. There you go.
Ready, set, go! I gotcha.
I just put Mia to bed and I'm gonna clean up this kitchen right after I fix this crazy hair. Mia was being very, very rowdy tonight. I think she's getting, like, she's feeling cooped up because we haven't gone outside very much in the last couple of days. So I'm gonna try to get her outside in the morning as early as I can because that's usually when it's not as windy, even though it's supposed to be windy tomorrow, I hope. hope I can get her outside. I'm gonna spend the rest of the night editing a video and going to bed early so I can wake up early and edit another video.
Okay, Google.
Bob's talking to his new phone.
Okay, Google.
He seems to really like it.
Google.
Anyways, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.